Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have got the Spigen iPhone 14 Pro Max case. So this does come with a form of MagSafe. Spigen calls it MagFit, which is pretty cool. And let's just jump right into the simple unboxing. Pull that pull tab right out. And there we are, greeted with this beautiful case. So as you can see straight out of the box, it does have this interesting print on it. You see the A16 Bionic chip right there under the camera cutout. You have some Spigen branding, the haptic engine, and you could also see that black MagFit magnet cutout right there. So this is actually the insides of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've got mine in the deep purple color. Look at that shining in the beautiful light. Let's just take a moment to enjoy that. Such a beautiful color. Anyways, let's just pop the case right in there. Nice little slim fit. Now the iPhone 14 Pro Max and this case are fingerprint magnets, so don't mind that. And you can see here on the side, we have a very good camera lip to protect our 3 thick camera lenses. So no worry about scratching those, but don't put it in a pocket with a bunch of keys like some people do. Anyways, turning onto the front side of the case, once again, we have that good screen lip to protect it when it is face down. But I always rock a nice screen protector just to protect it. Now, if we flip it on the other side, can you guys see that little bump right over there? So when you put it face down, the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the camera lenses tends to bump around a lot, shakes and all of that. But from this angle, when you put it face down, thanks to those bumps right over here on all 4 sides, it doesn't move around too much. It stays more flush on the surface, which is pretty good. So as you can see, I'm tapping it. Obviously, if you do tap it a little hard, it'll bump around, but overall, it's pretty good. Now, let's come back to talking about the design of the case itself. I do really enjoy the fact that it looks pretty techy. It has that nice little print, and it actually isn't printed physically onto the case. I feel like they glued the different images and graphics and all that onto the back of the case, and then these white outlines are on the outside of the case. So as I mentioned, it is clear all around, and then you have the print right over here. It's a clear back, if you could see that right over there. There's a little bit of clearness going around, and then they just have this nice techie print right over there. So if you like to see the insides, as I call it, of the 14 Pro Max, it does look really nice. It does offer some pretty good grip, as you guys can see. So that is pretty awesome. Overall, I find it's a nice case for those that, want a nice slim case, good level of protection. As you can see, nothing happening, no scratches going around on the case. Maybe if I threw it off of the roof, you'd get some damage, but I don't think anybody plans on doing that. So for some good accidental drops out of your pocket, onto your floor, or out on the sidewalk, shouldn't do any big damage to the phone itself. You might get a few scratches and scuffs on the case itself, but that's why you rock a case. Now, talking about color, I feel like Spigen could offer few other colorways for the case itself. I feel like people that really enjoy minimalism would enjoy a nice white finish on the case instead of this like dark black. But I feel like the dark black would very much look good with the space black 14 Pro Max. But with the deep purple, I feel like almost everything matches with the deep purple. Almost everything. It's such a beautiful color, especially in the light. Anyways, that is my take on the Spigen 01 case for the 14 Pro Max. It looks and feels really nice if you like that techie kick to it. It's a really simple case with a good slim design, yet it offers some good protection. Obviously, you've got all your cutouts right there, the ringer, volume up and down, looking all nice, your speaker, mic grills, charging port, and the power button. On the top, you have nothing else. Also, talking about the charging port, apparently the iPhone 15 is going to come with USB-C. Should I make a rumor talk video about the iPhone 15? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, this is a little unboxing review, first impressions of the Spigen 01 14 Pro Max case with the deep purple version. Do you guys like the deep purple? What's your favorite color for the 14 Pro Max? Let me know in the comment section below. It's been Techrific Alex. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you.